Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, we're going to walk through how to sort tasks by due date in Asana, a handy feature that will help you stay organized and on top of your workload. To kick things off, you want to make sure you're in the right place. So head to the main pane in Asana where you see your list of tasks. This is where all your tasks live, and sorting them by due date helps you prioritize effectively. Next up, find the Sort button located at the top of your task list. It's usually next to the Add Task button. Clicking on the Sort button is critical as it opens up various sorting options, giving you control over how you view your tasks. Once you've clicked on the Sort button, a drop-down menu will appear. From this list, select Due Date. Now, this is important because sorting tasks by due date helps you clearly see the most urgent tasks that you need to tackle first, preventing any important tasks from slipping through the cracks. Now that we've done that, your tasks will automatically rearrange themselves in order of their due dates. Those with the soonest due dates will appear at the top of your list, and those with later due dates will be towards the bottom. This step is great because it gives you a clear, linear view of your upcoming tasks, allowing you to plan your time more efficiently. Lastly, remember that you can toggle between ascending and descending order by clicking on the little arrow next to due date. This helps us because it allows us to customize our view further. If you want to see what tasks are due further out, simply switch to descending order. And there you have it. With a few simple steps, you've learned how to sort tasks by due date in Asana. This is a game changer for staying on top of your to-do list and making sure nothing gets missed. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, staying organized is the key to staying productive.